If you like to read, you've most likely seen this. It's a drop cap, a decorative letter at the beginning of a paragraph that takes up 2 or more lines of text, so it's obviously a big letter. The purpose of a drop cap is to grab attention besides improving visual interest. If you're working with Affinity, here's how you can add drop caps to your paragraphs. I already have some text here inside the text frame, and I want to insert a drop cap into the paragraph. So with the text frame selected, I'm going to go to the paragraph panel. If it's not here, simply go to the window menu, then text, and select paragraph. Now in the paragraph panel, right here, look for drop caps. Click to expand the settings, then check Enable. You can see each paragraph now has a drop cap at the beginning. That's because I selected the text frame, and I might not want that. So I'm gonna uncheck to disable first. If I want to add a drop cap only to the first paragraph, I can double click the text frame and then place the cursor at the very beginning of the paragraph, just before the first letter. Next, go to the paragraph panel and enable the drop cap. Now only the first letter of the first paragraph has a drop cap applied. Then I can set the height of lines here. I'll just change it to 3 lines. I can also uncheck order and set the number of characters to enlarge. I'll set it to 1. I can adjust the distance to text here. Check Align to Edge, which lets the drop cap stick to the edge of the text frame. And check Scale for descenders to ensure the drop cap with descenders is adjusted. Also, I can apply the style here. So that's all about the drop caps feature in Affinity. Hope this video helped you out. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a good day.